Hi everyone! Imagine TV, episode number 36 or 14 of season 2, and we are still in the stock agency, part 5, and we're going to look at their dashboard. Some of them are working well, others not that much. Okay, we'll start with Adobe. When you want to upload a picture, you go to Upload, drag or drop files, and drop them in. Okay, we have two pictures here. And let's see what we have. As you can see, I have all my keyword. You can add to it if you want. You can, or if you can do two at a time if you want to. If you do two at a time, one thing I will suggest to do, because if you select both, you will lose your keyword. Let's say you have 20. We'll just add some. See, cityscape, building. You go on paste keyword and you copy it. And now if you pick up those two pictures together, let's say they are very similar. You can have the same, and that's what I like about Adobe, you can have the same title. Okay. And here you can paste your keyword and they will be on both. Next, you have to see if you have people or property just for the release. There's nothing here, I don't think. It might, but I don't see anything that will be wrong. Cityscape normally allowed without any release. You say no, I don't have any release. Those two are checked. You put submit for approval, submit, and you'll get an email in a few days to tell you if they were accepted or not. And if you want to see your file, you can go to the dashboard, and that's all the pictures that were accepted. And you can go back to it. Let's see, you want to add something to it. You can go there, and you can delete the files too. If you are not happy with something, you can delete it. Okay, and you have that little pen here, and now you can add things to it. LME. I was trying to upload the picture. As you can see, still processing. That's a few hours now. Good news, guys. LME processed the picture. It took a day. I guess they have to look at all the picture before they can decide if they pass or not. If you send two pictures like I did and they're both the same, means I don't understand why they pass both of them, but I'm going to put only one on sale. Okay, well, I'll show you how to do it when that's done. You click on it and you have mentioned here that it's not on sale, and you have to put a caption, and that's the most important part. It's the caption part here. Okay, and that's the title at the camera. For now, that will be okay. Tag. I'll put pet dog. Looking at the camera. Mammal. Okay, that's what I get. The license type, that's royal free. And I put save. And now that image is on sale. That was it for LME. Going to Dreams Time. I'm not crazy about their dashboard. Here on the top you have upload a file. You can go and upload your file. Same thing, you can add or drop files. Okay, that took a few minutes, and now we are on the dashboard to enter all the information. Okay, we have only one picture at the time. You have to put the title. I'll put Palm City and C. Description. And normally what I do with the description, till I don't know if they will select it, I copy and paste under a cloudy sky and Portugal, whatever. Okay, just to have enough on the description. After that, you have to select a category. Normally I go with travel, art and architecture for this, and because you have more than one category, you have 3. Means you can go back to travel and add Europe. All those wording were directly on my picture, and I try to do that all the time using Lightroom. You can also use Photoshop depending on what you like the best, but it's important to have that because it takes a while to add to it. And you submit. Okay guys, next one is Getty Image iStock, and you land on the ESP page. You have your content, your performance, your account, and your resources. Upload and review content. New submission, and now you can drag your picture and drag them here. It went very fast, and you can see they are both uploading, and you have the progress bar. Okay, you can pick up those two together. Let's see that they are similar. Okay, you have a title. Let's put through the fence. Description is the same kind of thing. Copy, paste, and I will add outdoor. You have a house. You can put whatever you want just to give more information to the people that will look for the same kind of picture. Months 05, days 29, 2018. Country, Portugal. It's time consuming, guys, and it's not a lot of money. That's why you have to decide which one you like the best and focus on it. Dog, pure bred dog, fence. And that's your 5 keyword. And you cannot have less than that. No people there, you click no people. Okay, that's done. And you can save. If you don't save, you cannot submit. And submit. And you press yes. And you'll get an email from them telling you if they are accepted or not. One of my favorite, Shutterstock. Upload image. Same thing, you can drag your image here and you click them here. You have your progress bar that is working very well. Next. Okay, you can see you have the 2 image here. Took a while to get there, probably a few minutes again. Okay, let's click on one to see what that will give me. Okay, that's a photo, that's commercial. Description, we'll do it this way, see what that will give us. Okay, description will be same thing again. You have the category here. You have animal here, that should be okay. You have 2 categories you can add to it. You don't have to. Release, you don't have any release. You don't need that, and they have a download release form here. That's pretty awesome from them. This is their keywords, and that's the only one that have that. Means if I want to add some, I can just press on it. I like this a lot, and I can add to it if I want to. Pure bred dog, pure bred. I can add Saint Bernard dog. You put submit, and voila, that's my last submission. If you press on this, you can change things, you can add to it. And I'll show you something. I just received a content sold by Adobe Stock. I did? Oh, 33 cents. Okay, let's look at the kind of email you will receive. Adobe Stock. You'll receive an email like that to tell you that it's approved. And they'll just put your files being approved for sale. Decline. That one that you saw last episode, that was decline, and that's normal. I just tried it and it didn't work, but sometimes you have to try it. Okay, that's Adobe stock. LME, submission, they'll send you good news, you pass. That means if you send a submission of 10 picture, 20 picture, 1 picture, doesn't matter. It's all or nothing. Dreams time. Okay. We have 45 images that were approved. And that's what they send you. And that part of the image that were approved. And you can press more if you want to see every one of them. And you also have, I received that, but I also have the image that are not selected. You got both. One email for telling you which one were selected and one email to tell you which one were not selected. Okay, we are now in iStock, and you will get the ESP submission batch summary. And that means that they'll send you a summary of what is accepted and rejected, and if you have to revise it. As you can see, the batch name was Family Pets. They had a batch ID. It's 47 assets, 42 accepted, 0 rejected, and nothing to revise yet. Means they probably will send me another summary, and they'll tell me, okay, on 47, maybe I will have 44 accepted and 3 rejected, and nothing to revise. If they want me to revise something, they'll put revised, and you can go to see your current submission, and you can revise going with the link that they'll send you and the reason for. Like I said, I'm just starting with the stock agencies. That's why I'm doing this. I just want to make sure that you see what that looks like. And the last one, Shutterstock, 45 approve, 1 not approve. That's pretty good. You go down, you can see all the image that you have. This one was out of focus. That's why it wasn't approved. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, I'm a newbie in this. Wanted you to see what that looks like. Next week we'll look at other avenue to sell your pictures. And till then, keep shooting. If you have any question, just put them in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Till then, keep shooting and have fun. Ciao. Enjoy your day, and ciao ciao.